we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Halo Plus on a brand new 2023 Mercedes GLE. So if a thief does a relay attack on that key, they hop in the vehicle, go to drive it away. When they select a gear, you're going to see the vehicle cut out. They'll be unable to drive it. It comes up with a few faults, but they obviously don't come up if you start it correctly. This Halo Plus also calls the customer, so they'll know someone's in the vehicle, messing around with it, trying to steal it, and they'll be alerted straight away if they're in bed asleep. If the thief then tries again, I'm just going to open the window so you can hear it. They select a gear, the vehicle cuts out, and the horn goes mad. We popped in the disarm code then, that silenced the vehicle. So this system fires the horn, calls you, immobilises the vehicle, uses the push sequence, and can be paired to your phone. So when the customer drives this normally, what they can do, start it up. Before they select their gear, pop their push sequence in. 1, 2, 3 we have for now. Hear that disarm tone. Now we can select our gear and the vehicle remains running. They obviously don't need to put a code in if they have their phone paired up. So with the phone, we'll just turn the Bluetooth on this connected phone. Bluetooth on. Now when they get in the vehicle, just start it. We hear a disarm tone straight away and we can drive it and the vehicle doesn't cut out. Once again, this is the Halo Plus. Fires the horn if a thief attempts it, calls you to let you know they're in it if you're not around and you obviously don't hear it. Pairs to your phone. You can set up your own push sequence using the factory buttons, totally unique to you. It's not just the free presses, we've done that purely for the video. This system also has a service mode, so if we go into the phone, into the Starline key app, we have a green circle around it, which means the system's armed and active, the vehicle's protected. You're taking it for a service and you want to turn the whole thing off, press and hold till it goes yellow. Let go, we get one long tone, and that means the system's in service mode. So when it goes back to Mercedes, just give them the key. It's a normal vehicle, there's no need for a code or a phone, the horn's not going to go off, the system's completely disabled, and it's just a normal car. When you get it back and you want to turn the system back on, make sure it's protected. Back into the app, it's yellow, it's in service mode, press and hold till it goes green, 2 bleeps, and the vehicle's protected again. So this has to be done in the vehicle within range. So if you're out of range, it's not going to go into service mode, the system's not going to disarm automatically. Just make sure your phone and yourself are in the vehicle when you're doing that. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth off, show you one more time how it works. So our Bluetooth is off, like our phone's not here. 10 seconds later the system's active, so if we start it up, we get no disarm tone, we select the gear, the vehicle cuts out, and the customer gets a phone call, totally silent immobiliser, for if the thief gets in it, not going to know, you're getting alerted, there's the phone ringing, so we'll just answer and end that. Then the thief tries again, selects the gear, the car cuts out, and the horn goes mad, and we can only silence it with the code or the phone. So obviously we've put the code in just to silence it, and once again we're getting another phone call. The Halo Plus on the 2023 GLE is giving us a call, letting us know someone's in it, trying to steal it. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is the Halo Plus. Thanks for watching.